PHP 5.5.4 version. What has changed or what is the new feature? Most improvement in PHP 5.4 have no impact on existing code like PHP 5.3. New features supports for traits has been added. A trait is a similar to a class but only intended to group functionality. In a fine-grained and consistent way, it is not possible to instantiate a trait on its own. It is an addition to traditional inheritance and enable horizontal composition of behavior. That is, the application of class member without requiring inheritance. So, we have example here for using PHP, the new feature traits. When using these traits, we have to create a class and call it here. For example, you will create another one. We can use this to call this word. And add here, get this one. So here, there is also another way of calling it by using this method, trait foobar or foobar, then call this one foo and bar. So here, use foobar and call. It's the same. So if you don't use or so here we call this name foobar to call this message hello or example and echo. So it is used only when there is a functionality or fine-grained consistent way, or it's in an horizontal composition of behavior. So there's also another feature which is function array differencing has been added, or here. Usually when we call an array, usually we do this when we create a variable and call it. So on the new way or the new feature which is differencing an array, we create a function and and return, for example, we start the array to 0, it calls x, and if we use 1, it calls, but if we don't use it's not possible to call this one, or even so we only use 1 or so if you add again so that's the differencing array, and support closures now support this. We create a class A, and the new feature of closure, which is closure in PHP support the use of this pseudo variable, which, as you know, refers to the object that is currently executing a method. In this class, the getClosure method is returning a new closure that uses this. So we have a new return method which uses this. So here, if we create a variable, or if we put 2, then so this is closure. In PHP 5.3, they plan to put a method or the new feature this, but in same fashion, they didn't put it, so they continue to put it on 5.4. So there's also another feature which is class, then the name and syntax is now supported. So this is the code where class and the name to do something. So in order to here, which is the class, and the name, which is do something, and echo. So possibly more on CMS, it is used like echo or this method or the closure has been added like Joomla use like this. It also has the new feature binary number format that has been added, and it improves parse error messages and incompatible arguments warning. There is also a new feature which is the session extension can now track the upload progress of files, which is for example, you create or you upload a file, you can now track by looking the file like this. So it's a when you saw a file, when you upload, there is a progression like loading. You can also track by this. So,
ปัดต่อ
ป่ะ
ไม่ใช่เอ๊ะ
ต่ออะไร
เมื่อกี้
น่าจะเสีย
เลยครับเจ๊ครับ
tapos.